Hi, my name's Kyllian Griffin. I'm the head swimming and diving coach at Macalester, entering my 3rd season. Behind me you see Poole. This is our facility for both practices and competitions. One of the best pools in the MIAC and certainly one of the best in Division III swimming and diving. For training, we have 10 lanes of short course yards or 8 lanes of short course meters and a pair of brand new diving boards that were installed last season. It's a great place for us to train and compete and one of the best pools in the MIAC. In addition to our great facilities, I think the most special thing about Macalester and our swimming and diving program is our sense of community. One of our team's core values is support, and I truly think that both the swimmers and divers, as well as the Macalester community as a whole, really care about one another and create a supportive environment for every single student on our campus. The coronavirus has obviously been a challenge for all of us, and while we physically cannot be in the same space, our team is working hard to maintain the connections and build off of the relationships that we already have with one another. We spent time both informal and formally on Zoom having conversations, team lunches, captains meetings, working on ways to be creative and continue the progress that we've made over the course of the past 2 seasons. We're still communicating with recruits, with current students, future classes, alumni, friends of the program, in every way that we possibly can to keep you connected, engaged, and excited about Macalester. We don't know what the future holds for us in the next couple of weeks, but what we do know is that our commitment to you and that our commitment to our program and to our team is stronger than ever, and we are going to do everything we can to keep you engaged and excited about who we are and what we do. We're looking forward to keeping in touch with you. Please stay connected with us through our social media channels. You can also always email me, call me, or text me to see what's going on with the program. Stay healthy, be well, stay connected, go Scots.